Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so if you watch Tammy Anderson's channel, you will already know the great news. And if you don't, or if you don't follow Tammy, go and follow my friend Tammy Anderson and subscribe to her channel. But we have finally opened registrations for the Fluid Art Creative Escape Workshop in Charlotte, North Carolina. So if you are interested in attending a fluid art workshop with myself and Tammy Anderson in Charlotte, North Carolina, you can email us at fluidartescape@gmail.com to get all the info, the details, pricing, all of that stuff. And then also, if you'd like to join, that's where you're going to find the information to send your deposit to secure your spot. I will ask you this, and I will mention this. If you would like to join us and you'd like to send your deposit, I beg and I plead you to please read the payment instructions carefully, because we've been getting a lot of deposits so far, which is amazing, but they're being sent incorrectly. So I beg and plead that you read the instructions super duper carefully, and we cannot wait until February. It seems like it's a long time away, but it's actually not that far away. So it'll be here before you know it. So that is my big news for today. Registrations are open. We are excited. We are already counting down the days. Super, super stoked. So speaking of workshops, today's video is actually going to be a piece with the colors of one of our students from the Naples workshop. There were so many beautiful pieces, lots of amazing pieces done by the students in Naples. And there were a select few where I was like, whoa, I love that color palette. I would have never thought of putting those colors together. So in the next few videos, spread out, I am going to be doing pieces that are inspired by our students in Naples, Florida. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I will still do the silver and the gold series, but I'd like to mix it up with putting other things in between. Quick reminder, don't forget, I do still have a few 2023 calendars left in stock. If you are interested in a calendar, you can email me at kanella@gmail.com. Let me show you one that I've already showed you before. So we are, what is this, May? Yep, May. So there is a sneak peek of what May looks like. But I won't show you all the months because that's no fun. So if you are interested in a calendar, you can email me. Calendars are $50 Canadian plus shipping, and I ship worldwide. All right. I think that's all the info I have for you. If I think of anything, I'll mention it while I'm doing the video. So for now, I'm going to set myself up. I'm going to bring you guys down on the canvas and we are going to get started. Be right back. All right, everybody. Now, yes, I actually did forget something. I was supposed to show you the dried results of my last painting, but it's not fully dry yet. It's taking a while. So the center is still pretty wet. It's been really humid around here lately. You'd think it would dry quicker, but it's not. But here's what it looks like so far. The edges are obviously dried, but the center is still pretty wet. So I meant to show you that in the intro. That's what I was forgetting to show you. But yeah, it's not fully dry yet. It still needs to dry. It is available for purchase if anyone is interested in this piece. All right, I'm gonna put it aside like so. Yeah, my paintings are taking a little longer to dry, and I'm freaking out because I leave for Florida in a week for our family vacation, and I've got so much to do still, and I've got to do a bunch of videos to stockpile them for you guys so that you have things to watch, videos to watch while I'm gone. So excuse the messy table. I always like doing a video with a clean table, but my skins aren't dry yet. They're still wet. And because I really like the orange skins, I did not want to clear the table off. So I left them so that they can dry, and then I shall peel them off the table when they are dry. All right, so today's colors that I'm going to be using, my base is my Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And the colors I'm using now, if my lovely student is watching, I don't know who made this painting. I'm actually going to put her painting here for you guys to see. That is the painting she created in our class. And I believe... I know she was in our Sunday class. I believe she was in our Sunday evening class. I'm almost sure of it. But if you are watching and this is your painting, please put it in the comments below because I would love to give you recognition for your awesome color choices. So my colors are inspired by that student. I just wish I knew who it was. So if you're watching, let me know below. The colors I'm using today are going to be Carmine by Amsterdam. Then we have Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Then we've got Primary Yellow by Amsterdam, which is great because these are going to turn into a greenish color as well. Then you have Iridescent Red Blue by Pebeo. And then topping it off, we have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. All right, so those are the colors. I'm working on a small canvas today. It is a 12 by 24 inch. It has been a long time since I have worked on a small canvas like this. And I'm going to be working on some smaller canvases moving forward because I'm kind of almost out of all my big canvases. And I like to show a lot of my viewers who are new, who are just starting out, who don't want to work on a massive, 20 by 20 inch canvas. They want to start off on something small. So I'm going to be doing a few smaller canvases for those of you who are new watching and want to learn on a smaller canvas before you move to a much bigger canvas. All right, so I'm going to be working on a couple of small ones, and I'm going to be using my Flower hair dryer. So we all know about the Flower, and if you don't, it's called Flower, and it is made by Drew Barrymore. That is, she's the one who has created that hair dryer, and you can find it at walmart.com or your typical, your Walmart store, your everyday Walmart store in the US. All right, I am going to flood my canvas and I shall be right back. All right, everybody, canvas is flooded. Now, because this is a small canvas, I'm going to do a very simple design. I was just going to, actually, I can do a wispy. I can definitely do a wispy, so I'm going to do a wispy. That's what I'm going to do. I was just going to go across, but then, you know what? It is 12 inches, so I can definitely do a wispy. I shall do that. So let's do that super quick. Let's see. Where shall I start? Let's go down here and go across to up here. And then we will add a wispy going that way. I could add one going this way, but I kind of want it to be minimal. I don't want to make the canvas, because these colors are going to be so bright and colorful, I don't want to overpower the canvas with too much color. And I really kind of want some negative space on this. All right, at least that's what I'm hoping for. We'll see how it works out. All right, yellow is next. Okay, that's going to be super pretty together. So yeah, there's a few other pieces that I really, really loved from the class in Naples. And I'm hoping to get my wonderful students to let me know what colors they used, and that way I can, and who made them, who actually created that piece, so that I can do it in the video. Because the one awesome thing about these classes is everyone's got such a great imagination, such an awesome color palette choices that, they do these colors that I would never think of putting together. And then when we see them in the class, Tammy and I, we're like, whoa, we would have never chosen those colors. So I really enjoy it because we get to see color palettes and ideas of something that I would have never thought of putting together. So I really, really enjoy that part of the class as well. All right, the rainbow colors are down. So I'm going to start here in the center. And I think I'm going to push it. No, I'm going to push it down this way because I want to make sure I have enough to cover these negative spaces. I could have done a wispy going this way. Now I'm second guessing myself. Ugh. Just do what you originally planned. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's go. Whoa, it's so colorful. I love it. I love it. Now, we've got a lot of white happening down here, which I'm not crazy about. And it's happening up here. What's happening? But I'm loving the colors. So I'm going to blow a little bit of this because I want to fill in some of this negative space here. All right. And I don't think there's anything else I want to touch. Wow, these colors are so rich. Really loving it. Love, love, love. Although I'm going to be honest, I really love my students piece a lot better. It just, I really like the way it was blown out. But I love this. This is super duper colorful. All right. There's nothing else I'm going to tweak in terms of the composition. So I am going to fix my edges and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So before we get to the close-up, don't forget to take your stick and scrape those drips. All right, do it all the way around. Come back 10 minutes later, do it again, and then a third time, and you should be good. All right, so I'm getting a lot of white cells. I'm actually pretty shocked. So I'm not quite sure if it was my base paint, if I didn't mix it properly, which it's usually not an issue. Maybe it's the way I blew it out with the hairdryer. Who knows? I don't hate it, but I'm not used to it. I love this spot right here. Looks super nice. All right, let's see what kind of shimmer we get. All right, so the flash is on, and there was only 2 shimmery paints in this, and no 24 karat gold or silver. I just realized that. So there's definitely some shimmer from the iridescent green blue and the iridescent red, what was it? Red black, I think. So there's definitely some shimmer in here, but those were the only 2 shimmery paints in this entire piece. So I don't think I've ever done a piece without silver or gold. Now that I think about it, I have not. But look, there's definitely some pretty shimmer in there. Look at those cells. Amazing. Really, really like that. And then down here is another part I really liked a lot. All right. So there you have it, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. As I mentioned, it is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. If anyone is interested in this piece, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. All right. Don't forget, if you'd like a calendar, email me as well. And if you want information or to register for the Fluid Art Creative Escape Workshop in Naples, Florida with Tammy Anderson and myself, you can email us at fluidartescape@gmail.com for info, details, and everything you need to know. All right, so that is it for me for now. Until next time, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.